friends! Hi! How are you doing today?
It's me, Teacher Nicole!
I pray that all is well. We are going to do the entire alphabet. Okay, so we're going to sing the alphabet together. Are you guys ready? Yes?
1, 2, 3.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we know our ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay! You guys did so wonderful. I'm so proud of you. All right, keep up the great work. Now it's school time. It's school time. All right, so we are back in our original classroom. So let's see if we can make things fun.
Let's see if we can put our classroom into the computer. That would be so cool, right?
Let's see if we can do it. Let's try. On the count of 3, let's see how this goes. 1, 2, 3. Let's try something else. This is still not what I was looking for either. Alright, now that's looking more like it. Now let's take this and make it even better. Woohoo! Alright, this is perfect. Yes, we did it, guys. We did it. We turned the classroom into a cartoon. This is my new online digital classroom. And right here on the board, it says, "Welcome to Teacher Nicole's online classroom." Yay! Okay, so here's the thing. I seem to be stuck inside of the computer here on my new desk. Okay, guys, we gotta figure out how to fix this. But for now, let's just see what is new inside the new digital classroom. So we have the desk here, like I mentioned. It's nice, it's in front of the bookcase. Alright, we have a chair for the desk, and then we also have this seating chair right here and another seating chair right here, just in case anyone wants to join me in the new digital classroom. I also added more plants. So there's a plant here and a new plant here. Of course, we have the plant that was already in the classroom here and here. And then I also have this mini tree up here. So I have some books on the shelves that I added here. And then also here on my desk, I have some Play-Doh. I have a piece of paper on my desk. And then I have a lamp here. Alright, so this is so cool. Even though I'm stuck in the computer right now, let's get started with our activities and let's find out what the new letter of the day is. We can find that out by clicking on the alphabet letters here, the ABC letters. You guys ready to find out? Alright, let's do this. We're going to jump right into it. The letter of the day is the letter T. Ta-da! Let's try out this piece of paper on my desk right here. Oh wow, it looks like we have this worksheet. Alright, so we're just going to trace the letter T on the paper like you see Teacher Nicole doing here in this video. And the letter T is very simple. It's only 2 lines for both the upper and the lowercase. So we will start with this picture of a turtle. That sounds like the letter T, and so turtle starts with the letter T. Go ahead and glue that to the paper. Next is a picture of a table. Table has the t sound that the letter T makes. So we're also going to add that to our paper. Alright, what could be next? Let's find out. Oh, this is a fruit. It looks like an apple, but it's actually a tomato. There are a lot of T sounds in the word tomato. So we're going to add that to our sheet next. Alright, this is a picture of a star. A star is our shape of the day. But star sounds like this. Star. It does not have the T sound at the beginning of that word, so we're going to put it to the side. Next we have a picture of something that looks like a volcano. Can we say that word together? Volcano. Volcano has a different sound than the t, so that means it does not start with the letter T. We are going to also put this picture to the side. So here's a new picture, and guess what? It's a tree. Does tree have the T sound? Yes, it does. Let's put some glue on it and put it on our paper. Alright, so this is the last picture for the last box, and it's a tiger. We already know that T is for tiger. So let's put the glue on the back of it and add it to the paper.
Ta-da! We are finished!
Thank you so much for doing this activity with me. I really enjoyed it. And I hope you did too. So this is our last activity. Thank you so much for joining my digital classroom. I am so happy that it worked. I am back now in my regular classroom. I made it back safe and sound. Friends, let's get ready to sing our Shalom Neighbor song. Can you come sing with me? Yes! On the count of 3, we will get started. 1, 2, 3. Shalom, neighbor, what do we say? It's going to be a beautiful day. So clap your hands and shake, shake, shake. Jump up and down and keep being great. Yay! You are amazing. Okay, guys? I want you all to enjoy the rest of your day. I will see you back here again later this week. Stay strong and be well. That was so fun. We will have to try this again.
Join us next time on Harmony Playhouse, and don't forget to subscribe.